Within hours of that ruling, Governor Glenn Youngkin backed a 15-week abortion ban here in Virginia. It will be similar to the Mississippi law, which inspired the Supreme Court challenge. Capitol Bureau reporter Jackie DEFUSCO is live with what the governor wants and whether it's likely to happen, Jackie.
Hey guys, well, this heightened police presence at the state capitol, just one sign of the tense moment that we're in today. Now, notably, with Roe versus Wade being struck down, abortion access will not change in Virginia, at least not immediately. But with each state deciding its own fate now, if Republicans get what they want this winter, that could change. Today, calls from the state capitol to defend abortion rights in Virginia. The future now in question, with federal protections struck down by the U.S. Supreme Court.
Is insulting and it is dangerous to every single woman in Virginia.
A razor-thin majority in the Democrat-controlled state Senate standing in the way of recent efforts to pass new abortion restrictions. Senator Jennifer McClellan now pledging to fight back against Governor Glenn Youngkin's push for an abortion ban after 15 weeks of pregnancy.
To the party that professes to care about parental rights, you will not insert yourself in the decision about whether to become a parent in the first place. That is the most fundamental parental right there is. We will not let you take it back.
Youngkin largely staying silent on abortion during this year's session, but celebrating the court's decision as a win for states' rights. Now announcing plans to roll back access after sidestepping questions before the ruling on Tuesday. Why haven't you been specific in what your plans are to respond in Virginia if Roe v. Wade is overturned?
I am pro-life. I do believe in exceptions in the case of rape and incest and when the mother's life is at risk. And how that translates to what we go forward with, we're going to have to work through, but we need to see the final opinion.
Now wasting no time, Youngkin tapping a group of 4 Republicans to craft legislation. Among them, State Senator Steve Newman, who's hopeful a 15 or 20-week abortion ban can get bipartisan support.
An unborn child feels pain, certainly at 15 weeks. The humanitarian thing is to protect life after pain is felt.
Meantime, in these 13 states, so-called trigger laws now set to take effect, almost immediately outlawing abortion with few exceptions. State Senator Amanda Chase says she would support any anti-abortion legislation, but doubting Virginia would go that far for now.
Probably not likely that that would pass in Virginia. We do have a couple of Senate Democrats who are on the fence.
And Governor Youngkin declining our interview request today, but in a statement, he said lawmakers should be prepared to introduce new abortion legislation in the 2023 regular session, which kicks off in January. Live at the Capitol, I'm Jackie DEFUSCO, 8 News.